Check. Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Hey, good morning, Rohit ji, Rohit Bhadia, RB Marketing.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, what's up?
So nothing, sir. Just we met in HNP, so just thought to have introduction meet with you, so
ठीक
I
है.
can know more about you. I seen your profile. You are doing very well and doing very well video marketing as well.
हाँ,
So
so just want to check with you. So we are also live streaming this to my YouTube channel. Normally I can stream it to anything. Though you are
if
the
you want,
Zoom host, when
I
it
will make you. I will make you.
no,
So
that's okay.
one
No, that's okay. I'm just keeping you updated. आपका your mother tongue is Tamil or Hindi?
Hindi, sir. I am from Rajasthan actually.
Oh, Rajput. Okay, ठीक है, बढ़िया है. No problem. It's already live streaming. Again, nobody is watching out there, but again, I'm just trying to save my time.
No,
Uh,
you can do live, not a problem. Just wanted to understand because generally what happens, now in one-to-one meeting, we try to understand to each other.
हाँ, finance people and
But
all. I was a BNI member. 12-13 में for 2 years I was a BNI member. So आपको दिक्कत नहीं
okay.
होगा. No problem. All my boss in Singapore is also a BNI member. I mean, couple of people whom I work with. Again, BNI means credibility and all. Are you an active member?
Yes, yes, yes.
ओह बढ़िया. ठीक है. So 30 seconds आपका pitch दे दो. As in, let me know in 30 seconds. Apart from insurance consultant and finance coach, आप क्या क्या आपका 30 seconds में क्या बोलते हैं? बोल बोल दीजिए.
Sir, in 30 seconds, what happened now? We give any specific, very specific something that people can know. So we pitch small products or small what to say value addition to the people. So it's just to connect with people every week. So it's just people should not forget to us कि we are into so and so category.
हाँ, मालूम
So
है. बढ़िया है. As in, मैं आपका 30 seconds सुनना चाहता हूँ. क्या बोलते हैं आप 30
okay,
seconds में बोल के?
okay. So I make a different kind of 30 seconds, but one I can say like hello everyone, myself Rohit. I'm insurance consultant and trainer, and I'm also health insurance expert to connect with people who are looking for better health insurance product in comparison. So and we also can help them to take with proper declaration. So while taking the claim, they won't suffer for any kind of difficulties in that. Thank you once again, your health insurance consultant. So this is
Wow.
one small. We
अब
also can mention for different things for fire, for investment planning, for children's, and lots of things are there. See, our industry is very wide. So even if I give every day one pitch, it won't end in year in even 365 days. So depends. Every week we do something, and today it was my feature presentation. So I even again pitched for health insurance because why I'm pitching more health insurance because this is very easy to understand to people. If I talk any the technical thing about liability or fire or something else, now they won't understand. It won't connect with people. They will think it's not for us. So this is a entry tool for people. If I talk about term insurance or health insurance or something, car insurance, this is an entry tool. Once we enter in the customer profile, we are able to talk more, or we will have a connectivity tool with them. They are connected with us, and they start trusting on us. So we can go for next level understanding or something different for them. So this is how it works.
so do you do GST filing or GSTs also, like GST coaching in accounting and all that, or
No, that is not my forte, sir.
expertise? Okay,
I
not
see
for it.
my work is three kinds of things, sir. Insurance, investment, and tax planning. What is tax planning means? Where you should invest to save tax.
Oh, tax
That is
planning.
my
Okay.
work.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay,
so
okay.
not GST filing or income tax filing. That is chart accountant work.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Uh,
like that. And yes, sir.
no, that's okay. As in, so investing, what all investing you talk about?
Yeah, investments could be mutual fund, it could be equity, it could be capital gain bonds, corporate FDs, different kinds of funds, ELSS, even in insurance also few kinds of products available which is purely for investment like ULIP and something else. So those things we do, and I think this is like it's all about the person understanding and profile. What exactly is profile suits. So in funds, also different kinds of funds available. It could be for long term, short term, for totally secured, totally exposure. It depends again person profile, how much risk that person can afford.
Yeah.
It's like that.
Okay.
And we're
Okay.
also into career opportunity. If anyone interested to start career in insurance industry, so we help for licensing, training, marketing, and everything. Like we work pan India. We have team in each city, so we can help virtual and physical both.
Oh, okay. Okay. Very good. ठीक है. So, but the market is the competition is huge, right? In being a coach or being a finance coach or insurance, there are lots of people who are into the same thing. So, how do you differentiate yourself in BNI or outside BNI?
100%, sir. So if in my industry, I can mention 95% people are not up to that knowledge or profession, or I can say professionalism they
Yeah.
are not having, because of the reason is that entry level is very basic, 25 hours of training. Everyone can enter the industry, but they are not having that learning attitude or positive attitude with a goal ki what I have to do in this profession. They just enter for the money. That's why they are getting failed. I'm not doing this work for money. Money is byproduct. It's a inbuilt feature for this. I'm doing this for as a patient, as a profession. I love this one. I love to help people. When someone is taking an insurance product, I'm feeling too good that I protected family. I work in that honestly. I'm working in the mindset of giving back to society. I never compromise with quality, conditions, any material fact. I do very well, like with dedication and honestly. So this is something different. Something makes me different from others. When someone is working for me for a shorter in period, he will understand me. New people will take time to understand, but not more than 1 or 3 months. Once they are be in touch with me, at least for 1 or 3 months, they will be able to understand how I am, and they will be able to convert themselves from anywhere to me. So this is about me
Okay.
difference.
So, in short, uh, I strongly believe in video marketing because more than text or more than images, videos are more powerful because there are lots of YouTubers.
100%. Yes, I
And
believe.
Vivji, have you seen Vivek Gangadhar? He's also one of the financial coaches. We both worked in Hewlett Packard. There was another co-host. आप विवेक गंगाधर को देखा क्या जब HNP मीटिंग में आया था ब्रेकआउट रूम्स ही
I
बस
joined only 2 meetings, just
uh,
2 meetings, so didn't
ठीक
focus
है
too much.
अभी आप राजस्थान में है या चेन्नई में है कोयम्बतूर
I am Chennai only, sir. From last 11 years, I'm Chennai only.
oh okay wow but you're born in Rajasthan
Yeah, I studied there only. I completed my graduation in 2007, and that time I
wow
left Rajasthan, and after that I'm outside only.
बढ़िया so आपका खुद का बिजनेस है सर और you're working for any firm or a company
No, no, I'm working for myself only, sir. So I don't believe to develop corporate companies. I want to develop myself, and I always believe to create a legacy for children that is not possible in any kind of job. When we are
okay
doing for our own business, then only it's possible.
हाँ
So I
that is
always
also true
believe to develop ourselves and develop our business. That's the concern.
so आपके पीछे बैकग्राउंड क्लेम अप्रूव्ड बोले तो ये कौन सा क्लेम है इंश्योरेंस क्लेम और
So yeah, see, my this is one kind of better understanding for the people when someone is logging or applying for a proposal, or I can say for insurance policy. Most of people try to approve your proposal. They have a mindset that somehow your policy should get issued. But I always find a reason to reject your proposal. How I can reject your proposal, so you should not get the policy. The technical thing is behind. If I'm not able to reject your proposal, definitely in future the insurance company also won't get any reason to reject your claim due to non-disclosure of any metal fact or anything. So I believe if policy issued means your claim is also approved today. That is my understanding. I work up to that level. I am
wow
very keen on underwriting. So that is my working strategy. I used to mention I'm happy to reject your proposal, but I won't happy to reject your claim. And maybe that time I am available or not, you might be suffering a lot.
so अभी 10
So
साल
if
में कितना क्लेम्स अप्रूव किया कितना क्लेम्स रिजेक्ट किया आपने
till now, 100% claims approved, sir, in last 3 years. Any
wow
claim, it's approved, sir. No rejection, even single claim. And
wow
and out of 20, 1 or 2 proposal, or I can mention 5% proposals will reject for me.
सो कैसा कौन सा अप्रूवल्स लाइक आप एग्जांपल्स दे सकते हैं लाइक इंश्योरेंस का एलआईसी का अप्रूवल्स या एक्सीडेंट बेनिफिट का कुछ स्टोरीज है लाइक वेरी
Yes,
मेमोरेबल.
if you want to talk about only claim, that is also I have, and if you want to talk some success stories, that also I have. So I will come with a mixed of that. So in February, I settled a claim that was very difficult claim for me. Not difficult situation that time. The client was having a sum assured of 5 lakhs rupees, and he renewed for 2 years. So the second year he got the claim. So what happened? The first year ka 20% no claim bonus was there. It's totally 6 lakhs rupees. So what happened when he went for the hospitalization? It was around 25 days something. So I was in,
कॉर्पोरेट हॉस्पिटल.
this is Apollo.
ओह ओके अपोलो चेन्नई.
Apollo
ओके.
First Med Hospital is in Kilpauk. So it was around 25 days of hospitalization. When discharge was there by 8 o'clock, client informed me, sir, we are going to discharge today. So it will be around 8 to 9. We are waiting for the ambulance. I said, okay, no problem. You can take it. Just everything is already approved. Just ask them discharge summary and send them final bill. It will be get approved very soon. If any difficulties, give a call to me. So they said, okay. By 9:30, I'm getting a call from the client. Sir, they are paying only 5 lakhs rupees. The no claim bonus was not there. As you mentioned, it's there, but they are asking to pay. They are telling it's not showing in the system. So immediately I just checked with the people. They told, sir, it's 2-year policy. So somehow it didn't triggered. Any IT issues are there with this policy. It's not showing, reflecting in the system. And as an employee, as a backend, we don't have rights. If something is not reflecting, we are not able to click to approve on that.
हाँ.
So if you can postpone that discharge by tomorrow morning, or you pay and do reimbursement later. I said, sir, the person is having the policy, and I can't insist customer to pay. It's your mistake. It's company mistake. It's IT mistake. You have to handle. My client should not suffer. When my client is suffering, my temperature goes on heights, and I always raise my voice. I never ever care for any corporate company, sir.
So this is which company? Reliance Healthcare or
It was Aditya Birla Health Insurance.
oh Aditya
So-
Birla. Okay.
So what I did immediately, I just called to directly to head of the claim head in Mumbai.
Wow.
She's the claim head. Okay,
Wow.
I called and told, ma'am, so and so condition is there. Your team is telling not able to approve, and this today is Holi festival. It's around 10 o'clock, and no one is there in IT right now at office. So, sir, we don't have anything. As employee, I don't have rights to do it. So please cooperate. I mentioned to whom you want to talk right now. Tell me. Shall I make a con call to CEO immediately? She's surprised when I mentioned CEO. How you got the number? I told this is Rohit from Chennai. You can ask to management anywhere my name. Suddenly she understood something I have. I'm a powerful person there, and she immediately told, sir, give me some time. Let me check what I can do. Again, 15 minutes. She called me around 9:30 to 9:45 and told me, sir, you do one thing. You send a official mail to me and request me you are taking this responsibility for 1 lakh rupees. If anything is not eligible, you have to take care of that. I mentioned, okay, no problem. I sent a mail, and within 20 minutes after sending the mail, customer is calling me, sir, we got the approval.
Wow. Very
So
good.
that
very
was a
good.
success story. Otherwise, if it's an online policy or some local agent or some normal person, that customer has to suffer either to pay and reimburse or discharge for to postpone for next day. Such kind of thing. Similarly, one more success story was there. So, see, for claim was dishonored, rejected due to early claim and some misunderstanding. I fought for around 45 days, and I got approved the claim, and I'm damn sure that claim was not able to pass if any normal agent there. And the customer was a chartered accountant. He was having policy from last 12 to 13 years in national insurance, and I ported the policy to my portfolio. And he did only on my trust. But finally he said, sir, I heard several times, if your agent is good, your claim won't reject, it will be passed. And today I am watching that one live example. Thanks for supporting me. Like that he mentioned that day, and I feel proud that day my clients are happy. So such kind of stories, I have lot of stories. Even claim proposal forms or reject claim settlement, so and so things are there, sir. I do not take your class
हाँ,
right now.
नहीं
As
ठीक
you
है नहीं
mentioned,
नहीं बढ़िया अच्छा स्टोरीज अच्छा है बिकॉज दीज आर रियल लाइफ स्टोरीज दीज आर नॉट लाइक सिनेमैटिक और these are not filmy stories, these are from real life examples. अच्छा रहता है क्योंकि बहुत लोगों को अवेयरनेस नहीं रहेगा. अरे इंश्योरेंस क्यों पे करेंगे, हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस क्यों पे करेंगे, अरे हम हमारा तबीयत अच्छा है, बढ़िया है, हमको क्या तकलीफ है, हम बूढ़े लोग हैं क्या, वो सब बोलते हैं. मगर जब हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट होते तब मालूम पड़ेगा इंश्योरेंस का वैल्यू कितना होगा. I've seen it. My mother, she passed away in Apollo. I know the value of insurance. We know how much we struggled to close that bill of when she was in ICU for almost 2 weeks before she passed away. So I know the difficulty. The same with my dad also. That was like 15 साल पहले था, वो भी अपोलो हैदराबाद में. सो ये इंश्योरेंस अवेयरनेस और हेल्थ अवेयरनेस के बारे में आप कुछ कंटेंट भी क्रिएट कर रहे हैं क्या सोशल मीडिया में? अभी आपका तो बढ़िया क्लाइंट्स है, बढ़िया एग्जांपल्स है, रियल लाइफ स्टोरीज है. सो आप सोशल मीडिया में या यूट्यूब में या फेसबुक में, आई वॉज लाइक लॉफिंग, आप बढ़िया बोले लिंक्डइन में, सर सोशल बाद में करेंगे, हम पहले एक दूसरे को जान लेंगे, which is good. So what I do for living is again marketing. Mostly I do B2B and somebody if they want help with lead generation and all, मैं वही करता हूँ. I'm with Edwin also with Happy Neighborhood. 70 plus countries also we are doing the same. HNP community में we have worldwide we have couple of BNI members. People say don't talk about it, but come on, I'm a proud ex-BNI member. Still I love, I have good friends who are an active BNI members right now. And couple of my mentors, coaches जो भी है दिल्ली में या चेन्नई में, मुंबई में, they're all good friends. And we respect each other because we did business and we love each other for the kind of work which we have done. End of the day, we are being respectful for each other. We are not demeaning anybody, and everybody loves Dr. Ivan Meissner and everybody, all the regional directors and all. So good. So आपका स्टोरीज भी आप पब्लिश कर रहे हैं इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक, लिंक्डइन, यूट्यूब का ही आपका?
So not in a promotional way. I won't make such videos as of now. Might be not having proper ideas, or might be not having proper budget, or might be not having proper awareness to me as well. I can say.
बजट की बात कुछ भी नहीं है क्योंकि अभी जूम प्रॉब्ली ये प्रीमियम जो भी है, व्हाट्सएप फ्री है,
Yes.
फेसबुक फ्री है.
Yes, I create few content. I post on Facebook. I have my page as well. I will share with you. So not regular, but sometime when I'm in the mood to talk something to people, I
हाँ,
record a video and I share.
बिकॉज
So
आई
I will
वर्क.
share you
हाँ हाँ,
videos because
वो शेयर कीजिए क्योंकि आपका स्टोरी सुन के किसी और को इम्पैक्ट हो जाएगा. अरे ले लेंगे डेली 15-20 रुपए का इंश्योरेंस, इंश्योरेंस ईयरली खर्चा देंगे तो डेली 5 रुपए या 10 रुपए या 15-20 रुपए में हो जाएगा मेरी हिसाब से. दैट्स हाउ डेली यू हैव टू स्पेंड probably a cost of a cup of a coffee or probably something which is lesser than what you're spending on other entertainment. People have time and money to spend on Netflix or Amazon Prime, or people have time to spend on internet or probably all the other subscription TV channels. हमको मालूम है. मगर when हेल्थ के बारे में आया तो नहीं यार हमारे पास पैसे नहीं है, बजट नहीं है, मार्केट नहीं है, वो सब बहुत कुछ बहाना बोलता है. आई हैव सीन इट. एंड जैसा आपने बोला, व्हेन माय मदर पास्ड अवे, दिस वाज 2 साल पहले, खाली 2 साल हो रहे हैं, 2020 है, 2018 में व्हेन शी पास्ड अवे आई वाज लाइक लिटरली वांटेड टू क्रिएट दिस अवेयरनेस ऑफ हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस. वो दर्द इतना हुआ ना, मुझे मालूम है, एज इन आई नो हाउ पेनफुल इट वाज. चलो हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस का हर हॉस्पिटल में जाके विल क्रिएट एन अवेयरनेस बोल के उतना गुस्सा आया था. सो वो 1 महीने तक वो गुस्सा था. अगेन बाद में आफ्टर 3 months 4 months 1 year तक वही डिप्रेशन में था मैं. आई डेंट इवन पब्लिश मच कंटेंट ऑन सोशल मीडिया. मैं अभी जो वीडियो मार्केटिंग कर रहा हूँ मैं 12 साल से कर रहा हूँ. जैसा आप 2007 में चालू किया फाइनेंस का, 2008 में आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग completely full-fledged videos full time, as in I worked with Hewlett Packard HP कंपनी से काम किया, 5 साल किया उधर. also like when I was working with Hewlett Packard HP, we know employer paid the insurance for us. उसके बाद अगेन मूवी इंडस्ट्री, फिल्म, नेटवर्किंग, BNI में अगेन 2013-14 ऑल BNI वी यूज टू हैव मोर देन 3000 कॉन्टैक्ट्स, वैसे ही हो गया अभी फ़ोन में 3000 प्लस कॉन्टैक्ट्स, सारी BNI मेंबर्स, हैदराबाद, मुंबई, चेन्नई, बैंगलोर, दिल्ली, 3000 plus contacts, मगर 7000 contacts are again through that network. So जो भी है, and most of them are connected through social media, Facebook, LinkedIn, WhatsApp. कभी कभी we meet once in a while, हंसेंगे as in we laugh. And recently BNI virtual event, probably you know the international conference which happened, right? So lots of friends send me invite, and I don't know if you know Sean. You know, आपको शान मालूम है क्या? Like he does ये पूरा BNI का, he will manage the virtual events. He will be in
Sean, I
Bangalore.
don't know, sir. Sorry,
Sean
I don't know.
Fernandez.
No, I don't know him. Sorry.
Probably you might be knowing Chennai बोले तो who is there? Murli Sundaram or Surendran.
Surendran, I know very well.
Surendran Jayashekhar.
Surendran, I
So,
know.
Surendra is also a big godfather for all of us, because
Okay.
we've learned Success Gyan and all the Chennai CBD A chapter or something, Murli Sundaram and all.
Yeah.
हाँ, आपको
Murli
हैप्पी,
Sundaram CPDA.
हाँ आपको, आप मिले क्या मुरली सुंदरम सर से?
Yes, yes. He knows me. He knows me
Oh,
very well.
okay, very good. He's my coach. He's my happiness coach.
So, are you still connected with him with university?
With not the Happiness
Happiness
Unlimited
University.
Happiness University, 2016 में I've done is Train the Trainer. 1 लाख पे करके we attended Train the Trainer of Murli Sundaram. ये 2016 में, I'll share you, all those videos are there on YouTube. Again, birthdays or anniversaries, we keep chatting once in a while. अभी recently 15 दिन पहले we had a communication or a chat. But most of the conversation, I'm not an active member in other communities. Magar everybody is in their own active building community. That's what is happening. So HNP was a recent gift where I started building community because worldwide people are there, and बहुत सारे लोग small and medium entrepreneurs. Because मेरा जो भी clients है abroad से है, as in somebody from Germany, somebody from Singapore, somebody from US. So all the happy clients. मैं सोचा चलो ठीक है जो भी है. And when it
So, you
comes
are living in Hyderabad right now, correct?
हाँ अभी हैदराबाद, फिलहाल हैदराबाद में.
Your mobile number, sir?
Mobile number 9845679620.
9945679620. Okay.
हाँ.
So I will share my Facebook page link as well. Just go through once whenever you have time. Just see how it is. If any suggestions, please give me.
नहीं, एक ही
And
सजेशन,
recently,
एक ही सजेशन है. आप डेली 3 times मील्स ले रहे बोले तो ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच, डिनर ले रहे बोले तो प्रॉब्ली इन बीच में स्नैक्स 3 to 5 meals a day बोले तो यू शुड बी पब्लिशिंग कंटेंट ऑल्सो 3 to 5 times a day. बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं नहीं मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है. नहीं, मेरा टाइम कौन देखता है, मेरा टाइम मेरा कंटेंट देख के लोग बोर हो जाते. बहुत कुछ बहाना बोलते हैं, मेरा बैकग्राउंड अच्छा नहीं है, मेरा बाल ठीक नहीं है, आज नहाया नहीं, वो सब बहुत कुछ बहाना बोलते हैं. आई हर्ड इट. मैं अभी आई ट्रेन्ड, I wouldn't say 10,000, but I have trained thousands of people on how to be confident on camera. बहुत सारा in last 12 years, 2008 से आज तक बहुत सारा pictures है, बहुत सारा mini workshops किया, बहुत बड़ा conferences भी किया. People give all the excuses. आपका डिक्शनरी में जो भी excuse लेना निकालना पड़ेगा. Take that excuse. People told that excuse to me. Couple of them, they killed their in-laws. Couple of them killed. I mean, वो बहाना नहीं है, मगर it's a true story also. But people do many things to postpone their habit of creating videos. क्या बोले तो ever since ये smartphones जब आया, Android phone and all, 2009, 2010, the Android phones started into the market. Nokia N97 था इससे पहले, before Android was launched. I still remember clearly because 2008 में मैं मोबाइल में एक वीडियो किया, 3 मिनट का वीडियो. एंड HP वाले ने मुझे 1 लाख से ज़्यादा एक नया एक प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च किया मेरे हाथ से. एंड आई वॉज लाइक शॉक्ड. 3 मिनट वीडियो के लिए 1 लाख. आई मीन दैट वॉज द बेस्ट वीडियो फॉर द प्रमोटिंग द HP ब्रांड इंटरनली एम्प्लॉयज़ की. आई वॉज लाइक शॉक्ड. अरे 3 मिनट वीडियो के लिए इतना अटेंशन मिला. एंड मेनी मोर देन 35,000 पीपल थ्रू आउट HP इंडिया दे गॉट टू नो मी. मैं सोचा अरे यार, if such a small video can bring so much attention, why not create more videos? And then I went into film industry, worked on some Tollywood films. Mumbai आना था, नहीं तो अड़ियार, तारामणि अड़ियार. I have supposed to come to Chennai film schools also. I mean couple of film schools in Chennai to learn the art of filmmaking and all. Probably if I was successful, I would be working with Vikram or Surya or couple of them. I can proudly say that, but successful नहीं था. इतना फेल्यूर हो गया कि ended up in Tollywood only. Then Tollywood से बाहर इंडिपेंडेंट आके then I started web videos and all that. 2016 से full fledged है अभी. Again with whatever the failures, अभी भी कर सकते हैं regularly. मगर
If you are interested, we can go live on my page or on your page, and we can have an interview session about you.
करेंगे
I
करेंगे
can
पक्का. फाइनेंस अवेयरनेस, हर हेल्थ अवेयरनेस और इंश्योरेंस अवेयरनेस करेंगे सीरीज, क्यों नहीं. वीकली वन डे इंश्योरेंस अवेयरनेस विल ब्रिंग, एडविन विल ब्रिंग all the worldwide HNP speakers also. Do you have health insurance? Is health is universal, and insurance is also very universal. And when it comes to foreigners, mainly these US clients, many of them in US, Australia, Germany, they are very particular. If they have birth certificate, they'll also make sure that they have the health insurance for sure. बट फॉर अस इन इंडिया हम लोग बचाते पैसा बचाने के लिए. अरे नहीं 5,000 क्यों पे करो, 10,000 क्यों पे करो, 15-20,000 क्यों पे करो, नहीं वो मैं बचाता हूँ बोलते हैं. मगर वही पैसा कुछ वेकेशन पे खर्चा करते, गोवा ट्रिप पे खर्चा करते, वही पैसा कुछ लॉन्ग ड्राइव पे खर्चा करते. नहीं तो फ्रेंड्स और रिश्तेदार से दारू पार्टी में कस्तदार करते. हम कितना
खर्चा करते.
नहीं करेगा क्यों. सी माई मॉम, my mother, she spent so much on our property and the asset which we have, the building and all, but she never upgraded her insurance, health insurance. Even I am to be blame also, me and my siblings. एंड वी वर थिंकिंग अरे इतना खर्चा किया. प्रॉपर्टी है 1 करोड़ से ज़्यादा प्रॉपर्टी है जहाँ होम टाउन में, वो घर पे इतना खर्चा किया. बट वी नेवर इन्वेस्टेड दैट मनी फॉर हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस अपग्रेडिंग. जो भी इंश्योरेंस था, इट वॉज फ्रॉम माई ब्रदर्स. मेरा भैया ही वर्क्स इन ए बैंक, ही इज़ एन असिस्टेंट मैनेजर इन ए सेंट्रलाइज्ड बैंक. सो जो भी डिफॉल्ट इंश्योरेंस है वही था. And when she was on bed in ICU, then we realized, oh yaar, itana such a sad moments and all. So I always have this eager, even for my children also. Now I'm looking at मैं ऐसा देख रहा हूँ कि I want to make sure that they don't face these challenges probably when I am 70 or 80 like that. So वो planning अभी ठीक से पूरा documented.
I'm very much interested to interact people to give more and more awareness on insurance. I'm very much interested, and I'm not interested to take single paisa from that for this kind of awareness. I want to do it totally free of cost.
करेंगे जी. ये दिक्कत अब बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम क्या है बोले तो, इन इंडिया फ्री बोले तो लोग इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं देते, वही प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है. आप फ्री बोले तो वो बोलते हैं नहीं कुछ ना कुछ लोचा है, कुछ ना कुछ फिश का हुक है, अरे ये लोग कुछ उल्लू बनाते बोल के. नेगेटिव माइंडसेट ऑलरेडी है, नॉट ओनली इन इंडियन माइंडसेट बट द ह्यूमन ब्रेन दैट इज देयर एज पर न्यूरो साइंस एंड ऑल. दे थिंक नेगेटिव. मोमेंट यू से इट्स फ्री, लोगों सोचते अरे इसको प्रॉब्ली आप फ्री सर्विस बोलते, यू आर आपका टाइम एनर्जी वैल्यूबल रिसोर्स दे रहे हैं. और लोग क्या सोचते हैं, ये सारे इंश्योरेंस बेचने वाले या म्यूचुअल फंड बेचने वाले, वैसा लोग नेगेटिव सोचते. मगर यू नो दैट, आई नो दैट वी आर क्रिएटिंग मोर अवेयरनेस और एजुकेटिंग पीपल सो दैट दे रिमेंबर अस इन द टफ टाइम. जब वो मुश्किल में रहते, जब उसका एक्सीडेंट हुआ, जब ICU में है, जब हाथ में काली 50 या 60 हज़ार है, मगर इंश्योरेंस के नहीं, एक्सीडेंट का पूरा हॉस्पिटल बिल 5-6 लाख हो गया बोले तो देन दे विल रिमेंबर अस. वो आई हैव सीन इट. मैं बहुत बार एक्सपीरियंस किया. और रिसेंटली एग्जाम्पल, 20 दिन पहले वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड, बिजनेस फ्रेंड, अगेन BNI मेंबर, अगेन एक्टिव BNI मेंबर, अपोलो जुबलीस में था इधर, कोरोना पॉजिटिव, कोविड पॉजिटिव, एंड बिल वेंट अबाउट 10+ lakhs, 10 लाख से ज़्यादा चले गया ICU में. And he didn't have money and all. He has a team of employees also, digital marketing, online marketing. I can take his name also, but that's okay. मगर इसका इतना दिक्कत हुआ, people were not talking to him. उसका he was so sad of asking people to help, financial help. People were not talking to him. So रात में 2:30 3 बजे कॉल करते, and we had a chat and all. And I told him, bro, मेरे पास पैसे तो I would have transferred it, because I know how he was very particular. No Raj, it's not about money. वो ह्यूमन कनेक्शन जो है ना, वो जो फीलिंग है ना, जब ICU में है एंड प्रॉब्ली 18 दिन के बाद पूरा प्रॉपर्टी की लैंड भी बेच दिया वो, एंड ही इज इन सच ए स्टेट, ही इज लुकिंग फॉर दैट ह्यूमन कनेक्शन. कौन
Love and
काली,
affection.
हाँ, because people turn different ना, all the relatives, friends जो भी है, and he was literally in tears. में I didn't know what to say, and somehow we just had a conversation, and 2 दिन पहले again we were talking and smiling or laughing about it, because he's discharged. अभी तो फिलहाल घर में है. He is happy with his children. He posted his pictures on Facebook also. बट लोग का मेंटालिटी ना, ऐसा घूम के वी डोंट नो वेयर दे विल एंड अप. दैट्स अ ह्यूमन मेंटालिटी, बट इट्स गुड टू ब्रिंग द अवेयरनेस, इट्स गुड टू ब्रिंग द रियल स्टोरीज. रोहित बाडिया के साथ अगेन कितना कस्टमर्स नहीं है, हज़ारों कस्टमर्स लाइव एग्जांपल्स रहते हैं, मगर किसी को आप अरिंदम चौधरी की तरह डेली, अरिंदम चौधरी नहीं है, कौन है हमारा रिपब्लिक टीवी दादा, व्हाट्स हिज नेम, रिसेंटली अरेस्ट हो गया ना. रिपब्लिक टीवी का MD कौन है जी?
I don't know, sir.
रिपब्लिक टीवी का अर्नब, अर्नब गोस्वामी.
Okay, अर्नब का बोल रहे हैं क्या? Okay.
हाँ, अर्नब गोस्वामी की तरह आप कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. आप क्यों नहीं कर सकते? आपको कौन रोकने वाला है? फेसबुक भी फ्री है, यूट्यूब फ्री है, लिंक्डइन फ्री है. आप स्टोरी ऐसे कर लो, राज मीसा के बाद कोई सुनील आ जाते, नहीं तो कोई खान आ जाते, कोई सलमान आ जाते, कोई ना कोई जो डेली करो, लाइक हफ्ते में करो. इनिशियली स्लो कर दे, क्योंकि यू आर नॉट यूज्ड टू इट. आई एम यूज्ड टू दिस. आई हैव स्पोकन टू हंड्रेड्स ऑफ पीपल वर्चुअली. सो आप, जब मैं कर सकता, आप भी कर सकते हैं. दिल खुला ओपन करके बात करना है, उसमें क्या दिक्कत है? ठीक है, बढ़िया. मैं यही करता हूँ
Should
एज
be
इन.
genuine. Should be genuine.
हाँ, मैं यही करूँगा एज इन. वीडियोस करते, पब्लिश करते, लाइव करते, डेली कुछ ना कुछ टेस्टिंग करते, और B2B लीड जनरेशन करते थ्रू वीडियो मार्केटिंग, ऑनलाइन मार्केटिंग और ईमेल मार्केटिंग. सब बहुत कुछ ट्राई किया, अभी भी करते रहेंगे. वी कीप ऑन ट्राइंग इट, बट वी ट्राई एंड टेस्ट मेनली द US मार्केट्स, बिकॉज दैट्स वेयर द मनी इज, द रियल मनी. अगेन द कॉर्पोरेट क्लाइंट्स इन B2B, बिकॉज आप 1 घंटा काम किया तो वहाँ पे $100 मिलता, नहीं तो $300 या $500 मिलता फॉर कपल ऑफ आवर्स. बट इन इंडिया फॉर द सेम $100 यू हैव टू वर्क फॉर 1 week और प्रॉब्ली कपल ऑफ मंथ्स ऑल्सो. वो प्रोजेक्ट के हिसाब से रहते हैं. इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू मेक मनी with Indian clients, because we are very, as in, again, it's difficult in Asian markets. Probably Singapore clients are very happy. I know lots of clients in Singapore जो finance coaches है, people who are into investing stock market. So जिसके पास पैसा है, चलो उन लोग के पास pitch करो your services. If they love it, they will take it. If they don't love it, which means they don't have money, they don't have the capital टू इन्वेस्ट इन यू, चलो ठीक है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है भाई, एज इन दिक्कत नहीं है. आपके पास पैसा नहीं है तो चलो, आप बाद में, जब पैसे है बाद में आ जाओ. एज इन वी शो वैल्यू फॉर मनी एंड ऑल. वही आप भी कर सकते हैं एज इन इंश्योरेंस में या mutual funds में. And lots of people, the biggest, we know what works, what doesn't work, as in we failed so many times. So बहुत सारा लोग, they keep on publishing content on YouTube और Facebook, बाद में थक जाते. अरे यार इतना पब्लिश किया, इतना वीडियोस पब्लिश किया, कुछ भी बिजनेस
Which
नहीं
is
आ रहे.
right platform, YouTube or Facebook?
Sorry?
Which is right platform to post the video, Facebook or YouTube?
The right platform is social media. I will
You
tell
mean to
you.
say Facebook?
हाँ, सोशल मीडिया क्यों बोले तो फेसबुक बोलते लोग, बिकॉज यू हैव टू फाइंड वेर एवर योर पीपल आर. आपका ऑडियंस किधर घूम रहे हैं, फेसबुक में घूम रहे हैं, क्योंकि बहुत
Facebook
सारा,
or LinkedIn? Both.
हाँ बहुत सारा लोग दे आर ऑन फेसबुक और लिंक्डइन डेली. On WhatsApp, again WhatsApp owned by Facebook, because when you run Facebook ads, again WhatsApp is linked and all. अभी WhatsApp का UPI भी अप्रूवल आ गए बोल के सुना है, एज पर न्यूज़. बट यूट्यूब में एंटरटेनमेंट कंटेंट फॉर श्योर, बट आपका चैनल बढ़ाना है. एज इन, आई डोंट नो इफ यू नो CA रचना रानडे. आप उन लोग उसका वीडियो यूट्यूब चैनल देखे क्या, CA रचना रानडे?
Mhm.
आपको लिंक बाद में भेजता हूँ. ओ गॉड, आई वॉज वॉचिंग हर since the time when she had less than 10,000 subscribers. अभी लाखों में है, maybe 24 lakh or maybe 2 lakh, 24 lakh I guess, 24,000 or not 24,000, couple of lakhs. I have to check her YouTube channel now. Many people in stock market, many people in value investing, they know it, because I work closely with our team who are into investing, stock market trading, not day trading, but somebody who is into long term investing. Because I also play the game. Finance में चलो, we all know which gives more happiness. चलो पैसा invest करो, बाद में it'll become a passive income. I'll be living on the same funda. So end of the day, I do all those videos because I learn more. अभी 1 मिनट का वीडियो के लिए मैं 1 घंटे का रिसर्च करूँगा. So the same thing with learning also. इंश्योरेंस हो, ट्रेडिंग होने दो, म्यूचुअल फंड्स होने दो, पावर ऑफ कंपाउंडिंग बोलते हैं ना, विच यू वेरी मच नो. म्यूचुअल फंड्स में आप कोलैबोरेट विथ अदर पीपल, पार्टनरशिप विथ, लॉन्च योर चैनल. और आपका चैनल ऑलरेडी है तो लुक फॉर मोर एंगेजमेंट, मोर कॉन्वर्जेशन, बिकॉज रिलेशनशिप इज द रेवेन्यू, रिलेशनशिप इज द ओनली करेंसी. सो आपका रिलेशनशिप कैसा है पूरा कम्युनिटी से, वही आपको आगे बहुत बड़ा बिजनेस देगा. एंगेजमेंट नहीं है तो, इंटरेक्शन नहीं है तो, पार्टनरशिप नहीं है तो, कोलैबोरेशन नहीं है तो आगे कोई भी नहीं बढ़ता. वी ऑल नीड पार्टनरशिप्स, कोलैबोरेशंस. वी ऑल नीड व्हीकल टू मूव अहेड इन आवर जर्नी, B2B हो या एनी बिजनेस, B2C. You have.
That is true, sir. I believe that people is a true asset, not the money. Or as you mentioned, generally network is net worth. So that is very much true, and I'm working very much on that. And I'm a very active networker. I have lots of people connected with me nationally and internationally as well.
Wow.
And we do every day, every week, 3 meetings as well. I'm conducting that one. How you are doing HNP meeting? The same way, I'm also conducting 3 meetings every week. So 2 meetings belongs to open networking for anyone can come and join.
This
So
is
that happens on
which-
every Tuesday and Thursday 9:30 p.m. That is
Which-
1 hour meeting.
which business?
No, not business, open networking. Like how BNI is doing, how HNP is doing similarly. But here it's not registration, it's not any organized community. It's just we are connecting through WhatsApp group like that I can mention.
Okay.
So
okay.
our I share with the known people, and I also have 2-3 for WhatsApp groups as well. So we share in that and we connect and we invite lots of visitors in the meeting also. And we also do one meeting on every Saturday, that is international meeting, where it's very much compulsory to invite one international visitor if you want to join the meeting like that.
Wow.
So we get more audience from different countries. So in every meeting we get around people from 10 to 12 countries.
Wow.
So that also we try. So that is also a way to do network. And recently, just 4 days before only, I launched a small directory, RB business international business directory. I'll share you that one.
I
In
will.
last 4 days, almost 135 plus members registered already.
Wow.
So my target is it should reach in lakhs. So
Anything with networking always works because Facebook is there for connection networking. LinkedIn is there for Facebook for the same thing, networking and all. Uh,
yes, yes, yes,
Again, it's all about entire social media is all about that human connection. So जब
yes,
open
yes.
networking बोलते हैं, people will certainly come, people will certainly join. I heard about these guys also quad meetings and all. आपने सुना होगा या पता नहीं क्वाड मीटिंग्स बोल के दे ऑल्सो डू द सेम थिंग अभी लॉट्स ऑफ वर्चुअल मीटिंग्स बहुत सारे कर रहे हैं अभी जो हम लास्ट कोविड में एज इन लास्ट 6 मंथ्स 9 मंथ्स में जो कर रहे वी बिन डूइंग इट 10 साल से पहले से कर रहे पुराना वीडियोस भी है मीटिंग्स भी है स्ट्रीम यार्ड जब इनिशियली लॉन्च हुआ तब भी पुराना वीडियोस भी है व्हेन इट वाज इनिशियली लॉन्च वो भी वीडियोस है वी यूज टू बेग पीपल टू गिव वीडियो टेस्टिमोनियल दो कुछ ना कुछ वीडियो में कुछ बोलो बोल के अभी सब लोग you don't even ask them they do
How
it
you mentioned the lack of knowledge in insurance. Similarly, still people having lack of knowledge on video marketing, testimonial videos, or like what I understand, people won't understand exactly the words which we are listening or watching. Exactly, our mind understand only pictures.
सही में
Our mind don't not able to read the words. Whenever you talk something, na mind will create a picture and it's stored in the gallery.
सही में
So when you're watching the video content, it's like I believe it's 100 times better than a professional written testimonial.
सही में that is
So
that
I
is
believe very much on जो like similarly people are telling ना जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. That is very much true. But it's not like of Malika Sherawat की दिखता है बिकता है. But it's all about the market की if you are visible in pictures or videos, you will be able to sell yourself.
सही है
That is my understanding. So yes, I believe in that. So one thing in video, pictures, or this virtual like visual things, and second in networking, I have very much trust. I strongly believe in both these things. If you are very much strong in both of these, definitely no one can beat you in the business in market.
सही में as in again जो बिकता है वही दिखता है as in जो दिखता है वही बिकता है so end of the day thank you so much Rohit ji I have again we are connected on LinkedIn I have sent you a request on Facebook also but good that you are a career coach apart from a networking genius so apart from investment consultant chalo ठीक है as in we will keep in touch we'll take it forward so there are a couple of common friends for us on Facebook also which is good so international business digital directory अभी देख रहा हूँ आपका Facebook का देख रहा हूँ
I will send you that link also. Just
हाँ
wait.
ठीक है डिजिटल इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस डायरेक्टरी वो भी बढ़िया है ये फेसबुक ग्रुप है क्या
No. That
Oh,
is on WhatsApp. I will add you on WhatsApp if you are interested.
चलो ऐड करो उसमें क्या ह्यूमन कनेक्शन एंड ऑल probably if you can convert this to Facebook group or LinkedIn group or Telegram group अच्छा हो
No,
रहेगा
WhatsApp, Facebook group is also there. I will add you in that also. I have same group on Facebook, on WhatsApp, both.
because I am very much active only on Facebook or LinkedIn
LinkedIn. Because
WhatsApp
we can see profile of the person immediately.
हाँ बिकॉज व्हाट्सएप में क्या बोले तो उसका नंबर ही दिखता है खाली एक फोटो दिखता है मगर व्हाट्सएप में आई हैव मोर देन 70-80 ग्रुप से अभी अभी ये 70-80 ग्रुप से ही पूरा पागल हो रहे हैं एज इन
I used to mention recently. I sent a message. Just if you don't mind, I would like to share because you was
That's okay,
talking
that's
for
okay.
this. Nah? I'll share one message.
और सारी ग्रुप्स में इतना शोर मचाते सो मच ऑफ नॉइस यू कांट गिव योर अटेंशन टू
yes.
एवरीबडी
That Zoom link is now not valid, so ignore that one. Just read that message actually. Link that removed, but read this message actually, which I sent you now. If you can convert the same message in a particular 1-minute video, and if you post on social media, it will be very, very effective. I know
Okay.
your mobile number is now connected with our WhatsApp group. Are you connected with members available here? If not, then this is message for you. Strong relationship and trust is very important, where we expect a recommendation from someone to refer us in their contacts. We are going to conduct one special group meeting. I mean to say, just your number is connected with WhatsApp right now, but are you connected with the member who are going to recommend you in the market?
हाँ वो नहीं
Without
है ना.
knowing you, no one is going to recommend you. So that in this way, I invite people.
That's true, that's true. So हाँ वो connection चाहिए. After registering you'll receive a confirmation email and all. So ये बढ़िया. First 100 members only can join the meeting. Okay, which is again
Because
urgency
I am
create.
using basic Zoom now.
नहीं नहीं. That's okay. As in आप urgency create कर रहे हैं, that way people will give attention and all. अच्छा है. Now the thing is अभी जो भी कम्युनिटी बिल्ड कर रहे हैं मिनी एंड ऑल थ्रू व्हाट्सएप और टेलीग्राम जो भी है, ये नर्चरिंग बहुत डिफिकल्ट है. कम्युनिटी बिल्डिंग इज नॉट ईजी. आई हैव फेल्ड इट मेनी टाइम्स इन द लास्ट 4-5 years बिकॉज जब फ्लावर पॉट की तरह ना, जब दिवाली के हम फ्लावर पॉट बर्न करते ना, जैसा इनिशियली अच्छा रहता, वो बहुत एनर्जी रहता, बाद में वो फ्लावर पॉट एनर्जी निकल जाता है. एज इन due to, you can call it attitude, or due to egos, or people, if they don't have the right mindset, there will be lots of shore machate, jagda hote, digital, it's like all digital fights and all. But anyway, thank you so much. I'll certainly attend one of your meetings. We'll take it forward. आप तो चालू करो रोहित बाडिया का शो, एज इन से ना समथिंग विथ अनुपम अंकुल और कॉफी विथ करण और रंडेवू विथ सिमी अग्रवाल की तरह आप कुछ ना कुछ शो चालू करो. आप कौन रुक रहे हैं आपको.
Definitely, sir. With your inspiration, definitely I'm going to start. See, I have already one idea to start interview sessions, and even I did 2-3 interviews earlier also. One of what to say, this one, what to mention for that editor of a newspaper.
Wow.
She's also running a magazine. She's from Jaipur. She's one of the only one person who is female journalist. उसका इंटरव्यू लिया था. And I also did an interview of one of the top makeup artists from Bangalore, also running a training school as well. And I also took a interview of a advocate from Mumbai, and even 2-3 interviews also I taken. I just had a trial interview to give more visibility to them. But even I have an idea. Recently also I was talking to a turmeric manufacturer. Let's come, I will take an interview for you on my page, because around 2,000 plus people are following to me, so you will get some visibility. So similarly, I tried, I have mindset, but definitely after this session with you, I will continue this one very well. I'll post separate videos, 2 to 3 minutes video, as well as we'll start something coffee with RB like that, any interview sessions regularly on the Facebook or YouTube as well. So we'll
ठीक
try
है बढ़िया.
to
एज इन आप चालू करो ये एज इन्वेस्टमेंट कोच. ब्रिंग ऑल द इन्वेस्टमेंट कोचेस और इंश्योरेंस कोचेस. Invite them for partnerships, collaborations, or a journey forward together, because it's end of the day it's all your own individual clients who trust each other. Competition कहीं भी नहीं है. It's all about how well you know your clients, how well you know your customers, because हमारा business हमारा हाथ में नहीं है, client customer के हाथ में है. End of the day it's the future lies in their hands, whatever they say behind us.
Yes, sir. Very well, sir. So
Chalo.
thank you, sir. Thanks
Thank
for your
you.
valuable time.
Bye-bye.
And can I share this picture to my Facebook page, which I done now?
Yes.
Thank you. I already taken, sir. Just taking your permission.
Oh, you're welcome. मार्केटिंग में
Thank you.
यू डू एनीथिंग, इट डजंट मैटर फॉर मी. आप किसी को टैग करो, पुराना बॉस, ये यस बॉस, नो बॉस, टैग माय फ्रेंड्स, टैग माय, इफ पीपल टैग मी ऑन सोशल मीडिया आई ऑलवेज लाइक देम, बिकॉज हे थैंक यू फॉर थिंकिंग अबाउट मी बोलता हूँ. लोग अब पागल हो जाते, मुझे क्यों टैग कर रहे हैं, ये मेरे को लिंक्डइन में भी आई लाइक, आई ब्लेस देम. टैग बोले तो जैसा एम्बुलेंस का सायरन आता है ना, कोए कोए कोए, वो ब्लेस यू बोलते हैं, जैसा ओ टैग किया बोले तो वो ब्लेस यू, मेरे बारे में सोच रहे तुम, चलो अच्छा किया.
You are very open-minded. Otherwise, people na keep blocking that option. They block their tagging option. So no one should tag to me like that.
हाँ
But
people
you are
block.
very positive
नहीं,
person.
people block because ज़्यादा डिस्टर्बेंस, दे कांट कंट्रोल द डिस्टर्बेंस. मगर if you divide the bridge, which you learn from Murli Sundaram, I learned it from him. I can proudly tell this in front of him, or I can make fun of him and all that. Once you know how to detox yourself, जब आपको पता चलता है कि how to stay away from the noise, that's a technique, that's a skill. I'm still a practitioner. मैं अभी भी practice कर रहा हूँ. But once you know that technique, the world is yours. As in, you can make fun, you can laugh at it. Same thing I do with my spouse or with my children, because कुछ बोलने से लोगों का गुस्सा बढ़ जाते हैं, जैसा टेम्परेचर बारोमीटर की तरह वॉल्कनो हो जाते हैं. मगर कुछ बोलने से शांति हो जाते हैं, ठंडा हो जाएगा, नहीं तो गर्मी हो जाएगा. As in, गर्मा गर्म उन लोगों का जलता है. सो सेम थिंग, वी प्ले विथ पीपल वर्ड्स, इमोशंस. सेम थिंग इन मार्केटिंग ऑल्सो, वी डू दैट with our clients, closures and all that. So thank you so much, and I'll stay in touch.
Thank you. Thank you. It's really a very pleasant meeting with you, sir.
Bye bye. Take care. Thank you so much. Same here.
Thank you. We'll be in touch, sir.
Sure.
Thank you.
Bye.